Why are you crying now?
Aww.
It looks like a Japanese movie when you do that. Say, oh shit.
Aww. You're okay.
Here's a big one.
Okay.
Hi, Abel. Oh, football.
Abel looks like what his mama gave him.
Say, oh, football.
Oh, football. Now we're okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
But you should just turn me around. I didn't realize football was out all the time.
You should try that again.
The face thing.
Yeah.
I don't want to make him mad.
Oh, he's fine. Hi, Sanguine. Hi, Sanguine. Oh, yes. Massage the face. Massage.
Oh, he does
you
not
get
like it.
He goes, he's like, oh, I want to watch football.
You want to watch football?
Yep.
Are you happy now?
Pittsburgh's winning, Easton Green, since you can't read. This kid loves football. I think he's going to be at Grandpa's house every weekend watching football. Grandpa taking a nap on the couch.
You want to watch? Where are you going to sleep? Ready?
Look at one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
You're okay. No more. You're done. You won't be the guinea pig.